Sorry, I turned the camera off when I was moving it.
Oops.
Oops. But here it is. So here's the +5 button.
Yep.
Here's the reset button. Here's the +7 button. The reset button. Square root button. Okay. All right. So why don't you see if you can find, both of you, interestingly enough, found 256 and then took the square root a bunch of times. Why don't you play around and see if there's a different approach that you can do to get to 2? What do you think might be a different idea that doesn't involve powers of 2?
Well, we could do. Well, we already tried adding to the powers of 2, and we can't get 2 by itself.
Yeah, we can't get 2 by itself. Why not? That's a good observation.
Because all the numbers that you're adding are bigger than 2.
Good. All the numbers that you're adding are bigger than 2, so you know you're going to have to use the square root button
Well, we could
at some point.
maybe if we took like the square root of, we could take the square root of like 5 or 7, and then we could add those together and see if we get something. Or we could take the square root of the square root and add those together until we get to 2.
How are you going to add?
Oh, we can't add.
Yeah, your calculator's broken.
So we can't add.
And that's probably going to be a problem anyway, because once you start taking square roots, what happens?
You get decimals. You get expanded decimals.
Hey, look, we nearly got
Pi.
Haha. All right. So.
Another approach.
Yeah, different approach. Definitely going to want to try to stay with integers here.
Well, if we could get to the square root. Well, we can't. Too bad we can't take the square root and get something negative. Like if we could take the square root and get -5, we could add 7.
Very clever, actually.
So if the square, because there's 2 square roots, you can get.
Yeah. But how is the square root defined?
Well, it's defined to be non-negative.
Yeah, it's defined to be non-negative. But that's a very clever solution. Get to 25, take the square root, and say, aha, I want the negative square root, and then add 7. Yeah, that's one way.
But this program doesn't work like that.
Yeah, but good try.
+5 +7. Well, if we use just one of them, we're going to get like powers of 7 or powers of 5 if we just keep adding 1.
Yeah. Not necessarily powers, but multiples of 5 and multiples of 7. Yeah.
How could we try a different approach? Oh, we need to get something even.
Why?
Because we're not going to be able to get 2 just with odd numbers that are bigger than 2.
Okay.
So you can get 5. You can do 5 + 7 and get 12.
All right. 5 + 7, you get 12.
But it's not a square, so we can't.
Ah, that's a problem. It's not a square.
Yeah. We've got to find something that is a square.
What's a square that I could get to from 12?
12 + 5 is 17. 12 + 7 is 19. 12 + 14. Well, if we get 12 + 14, and you could get to 36.
How do you get to 36?
Well, you get 12, and then plus 14 is 26. Then you add 10. You get to 36.
Okay.
Then you could take the square root of that.
It's nice. Here, I can take the square root. Yeah, go ahead.
Take the square root, we get 6. Now what?
So you just made a new number.
Yeah.
You didn't know.
Now,
you didn't know.
Wait, hold on.
Okay, I'll hold on. Sorry.
I think maybe we can add 10 now. We can get 16. Then we can hit the square root twice.
Ah.
Interesting.
Go ahead.
16, 4, 2. So there's a couple different ways to do it.
There's a couple different ways to do it. Pretty interesting. Okay. All right.
So
Ready for one last little challenge?
All right.
All right. Here, hold on one second.